I just again spoke with my aunt yesterday evening, and his words were, I don't want that judge on my case. I don't think he can be, that's making a reference to Judge Sims. Mr. Dixon has power of attorney, not guardianship, but power of attorney to handle his father's business. He also communicated to me, and I indicated to Mr. Dixon that there has to be legal reasons. You just can't say a judge cannot be on the case. And then I went through a dialogue with Mr. Dixon, and I attached pursuant to the rules an affidavit from Mr. Dixon, who explained to me his reasons for believing that Judge Sims has a bias against his father in this case. And, Your Honor, the evidence pursuant to that affidavit will show that Frank Dixon is the son of Mr. Reeves, is a local community activist, a non-community activist, and throughout his tenure in the county during the last couple of years, I think during the entire time that Judge Sims has been in office, he has voiced his opinion about Judge Sims receiving preferential treatment for his legal issues, that being his DUI case, and he's pushed that on social media and other forums. Once his father got arrested in this case on or about December 4th, 2012, we later learned that this case was being assigned to Judge Sims. The advice of counsel, this was brought to my attention initially, I indicated to Mr. Dixon and his father to allow the process to proceed, give Judge Sims the benefit of the doubt, and allow him to, let's not knock on that door at this juncture. Recently, and I think I dated it in my motion to recuse Judge Howard Sims, Mr. Dixon again brought these concerns to me about Judge Sims being on the case.
Here's it is a strict requirement. The parties must make this motion within 5 days of learning of whatever alleged bias may exist. And what I've gathered, okay, the bond, which was set January 2013, that's when the clock should have been started. Statements the judge has made in prior trials, Ms. Brinson quoted this Marcus Denning case, which according to Tracker, I'm showing there was a jury verdict on November 8, 2013. I don't know if sentencing was the same day or not. Obviously that clock, that 5-day clock, starting way back then. You mentioned the criticism that Mr. Dixon has had of Judge Sims. And I don't know when these dates were, unless there was something on August 29th when this affidavit was signed by Mr. Dixon, the clock should have been whenever these, I guess, internet postings or press conference, whatever, these comments, that clock should have been started at that point. I do notice that Ms. Brinson said just a few minutes ago that Mr. Reeves made some concerns about Judge Sims. I think her words I wrote down, I thought were, quote, let's not make that argument now. I guess I'm assuming Judge Sims, that when he brought those concerns, that's when that clock should have been started, whenever this time was.